name's Sean Fulton. I'm a personal trainer at Campus Rec, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Keiser Power Rack system. The Power Rack here is driven off of pneumatics. It's air-based. You have two different displays where you can check your air resistance. This is one of two displays that you can see the air resistance. There's one also up here, so if you're doing bench press and you look above, you can see it. There are knobs in the back that'll raise or lower the air resistance. There are also two foot pumps directly below where you can raise or lower your air resistance. In order for this to work, you would set the rack wherever you would want. There are two clips here, so if you want to do squat and put it up nice and tall, you'll take a bar out of the holster here, place it in the racks. You will then take a collar, slide it over, and secure it to the bar. You will take one of the pneumatic straps and then put it over the clip here on each side of the unit. The air pressure allows you to raise and lower the weight while mid-set in a workout. So if the weight becomes too heavy, you simply lower the air so you can finish your set or your reps. When you're done, you simply take these off, put the collars back where you found them, and move on to your next event. There are also safety rails that slide in just like the top parts here, so that you can have a safety catch during each of your lifts. You can move them up and down for bench or squat, or deadlift, all within the cage here. There comes a bench that slides right into place, right down there at the base. There are 6 notches here that the tip of this bench slides into to lock it into place. You can slide it in any of these to the desired preference for your bench. Also on the side, it gives you the option of incline up to 80 degrees. Click it into place and it'll tell you what angle you're at. The Power Rack also allows you to do a full range of pull-ups by maneuvering the pull-up bars inside and out on each of these little clips, and you can rotate your hands as well to get desired grips for your pull-ups. You can also do dips with a dip bar that slides right into place just like all the other attachments, locks in. You can press up and do all your dips right here on the machine. If dips or pull-ups are not hard enough, you take a weight belt, tie it in like any other. You can also add weight to your dips by adding and lowering the resistance from the air to give yourself added weight to your dips. If dips are too hard for you, you'll take your air clips and tie it to your weight belt at a lower position on the hips. Tighten it in, add and lower resistance as needed to give you a little boost in your dips. This function also works on pull-ups. You'll bring your air resistance over here, clip in. If you want help up on your dip or your pull-up, clip in here. With the belt below your backside. And this will, again, you can raise and lower to give you more or less help while you're going up and down. If it's too easy for you, you simply reverse the grip here, and you can tie these over give you some resistance going down. Make your chin-ups even harder. So you'll tie in and still do up and down your pull-ups. As long as you have your air pneumatic system hooked up properly, it'll give you your resistance, your current power, as well as your peak power, and also counts your reps. So it allows you to see how fast and how powerful you are, and how many reps you're doing at a time, and what your current power output is. So the benefits of using this piece of equipment is that you can do all your lifts in one area. You can do your presses, you can do your pulls, you can do your bench press, rows, pull-ups and dips, squat. All that could be accomplished from here. You can take the air resistance and allows you to raise and lower the weight as you need to complete a full rep so that you can do so safely.